Now, here's another problem for PlayStation 5 customers. This one blew my mind, I promise you. This one blew my mind. How commonly this was taking place. People were stealing the PlayStation 5s right out the delivery. Guys were stealing the PlayStation 5s out of the Amazon boxes.
Oh, man.
And you scroll down, well, it's going to blow your mind. It was happening in the UK. So many people. This guy got a Nerf gun instead. Okay, hey, Amazon UK, what's going on here? Someone stole my PS5 right out of the box. Wrong item. Where do I get help? So one person, it's a Nerf gun. Another person, it's a foot massager. You scroll down a couple here, you're going to see a foot massager, Will. Imagine, you think it's your PlayStation 5. You stayed up late. You did the pre-order. It ain't there. And you know Amazon can't get you another one.
Mm-hmm.
It's like these things are impossible to get your hands on. Mm-hmm. You scroll down a little bit more. Somebody got a George Foreman grill.
Well, that's even better than the PS5, really.
How about the next person down? It looks like, what did they get? They got they got rice. They got a bag of rice.
Bulgur. Coarse bulgur.
You can't be happy with this person over here. This person over here, what did they get? Kitty litter? No, cat food.
Cat food. Yeah.
So there's some sort of scam. People were taking the item out of the box, hitting the secondary market because of the markup on these things. It's so hot right now. Or maybe they just want it themselves. I don't know who's responsible. But you see over here, there's a Reddit thread, multiple people. The driver doesn't get out, pauses for 10 seconds, then drove away. Package then said handed to resident and delivered, but it wasn't. So all types of little weird, and it's been piling up. Mm-hmm. There's all kinds of tactics and different ways in which these people's shipments are getting screwed up.
Isn't there a way? There's a way to track who shipped it, who delivered it, right? So, I mean,
you would think.
Did we get in trouble?
You would think somebody's got to be held responsible, but maybe the argument would be, oh, it wasn't me. It was the person previous that packed the package, or it got stolen on the doorstep. I don't know how this I don't know how this scam works from top to bottom.
Yeah.
But the point is, this thing is so hot right now that anybody who can get their hands on it, they're taking it. And not anybody. I mean, there's plenty that have been delivered properly. But since there's no replacement, it's a different level of aggravation for the purchaser. Normally, you get a screw up. You say, okay, send me another one. There is no send me another one.
I know.
You're dead.
Oh.
And that's gonna be rough. Yeah. So, anyways, you can go check out all the people. Amazon responded, and they said we're all about making our customers happy. That hasn't happened for a small proportion of these orders. We're really sorry. We're investigating. We're reaching out to every customer who's had a problem. Some customers we've spoken to have been asked to wait 48 hours to ensure that their deliveries still don't show up out of the blue, and others are being given a gift voucher. So, I mean, I don't know what to say. It would be a real letdown. Hopefully Amazon can figure it out and secure some extra units to get to these people. However, at least they got a foot massager.
I mean, yeah.
Or some rice.
That beats it, really. No, I'm just joking.
What would you take out of those options?
The Foreman grill.
The Foreman grill.
Yeah, I'm down with that.
Yeah, you take if you have to take something.
I said it too quick there.
Other than a PlayStation 5, you take the Foreman grill of the
what about you?
Different options. Yeah, I guess you're right on that. I don't know. I might try out the rice. I'm not really sure.
Yeah, okay.
It's a big bag of rice.
I mean,
it's a lot of rice.
Yeah.
I could eat for a while on that one.